In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as optional on Google Calendar, allowing you to make guests optional for your Google Calendar events. This feature comes in handy when you want to invite people to an event, but want to give them the flexibility to choose whether or not their presence is required. So, let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First things first, open up your Google Calendar in your web browser. Simply go to calendar.google.com and make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. If you haven't used it before, Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for scheduling events and managing your time, and today we'll leverage its capability to make some guests optional. Once your calendar is open, identify and click on an existing event that you want to edit. The calendar displays all your upcoming events, so go ahead and select the one you want to modify. If you can't find it at first glance, remember you can easily switch between views using the drop down menu to look at the day, week or month. After clicking on the event, you'll see a window with all event details. What you need to do next is click on the pencil icon. This button allows you to edit the event and make any necessary changes, whether it's updating the event title, adjusting the time, or, in our case, managing guests. Now you'll see various options related to your event setup. Look for the Guests section, which is usually on the right side of the editing window. Here you have the option to add or remove guests. Click into the text box under Add Guests and type in the email address of the person you wish to invite. As you type, a suggestion list will likely appear, so select the correct email address once it comes up to add that person to the guest list. Once you've added all the guests needed, you'll notice there's an option to make guests optional. Next to each guest name, there's a small checkbox or a label providing the option to mark optional. Go ahead and click on this option for each guest you want to extend this flexibility to. This simple act indicates to your guests that their attendance is welcome but not necessary, giving them the freedom to choose. Finally, after you've made all your edits, remember to click the Save button. This ensures that your changes are applied and the invited guests receive a notification or an email updating them on the event's details. And there you have it, you've successfully made some guests optional for a Google Calendar event, a small adjustment that can make a big difference in accommodating your guests' availability. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on making your Google Calendar events more flexible and inclusive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on maximizing your productivity tools. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.